And role in this, I can select the thread staff member. Okay, 1 minute. Put the email address of someone who already you have in the database. Can you show me the thread staff email ID? Yes, yes. Yeah, just take staff10 at example.com. Okay. Yes. And just put some random password. Yes.
As you can see in the email field, it has unique constraint that unique equals to true. So if we don't handle it properly and when the user try to register duplicate emails, it will give integrity error. So we have to handle it, and it has two approaches. So the first approach is checking if the email already exists. We will write a query to check if the email exists or not. So we will use filter by, and we will take the first user. Okay, so if this user exists, what we will do, we will flash one message saying that email already registered, and we will give it as a warning. Then we will redirect it to the auth page. Another way is using the try and accept block and catching that integrity error. So you have to import the integrity error here from sqlalchemy.exe. Now if you get any integrity error, this accept block will run, and then what you can do is you can do db.session.rollback. So here is the second approach.